In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on InVideo AI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be fully set up and ready to start exploring what the platform can do for you. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in InVideo's official website address and hit enter. Give the page a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see InVideo's branding and their main homepage. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you should see a button that says Sign Up. This is where you'll begin creating your new account. Go ahead and click on that Sign Up button. After you click, the page will reload or a new sign up screen will appear. On this screen, InVideo AI gives you a few different ways to create your account. Typically, you'll see options like signing up with your email address, signing up with Google, or signing up with Apple. These are simply different ways to verify who you are and connect your new InVideo account to an identity you already use. In this example, we'll choose to sign up with Google, since that's one of the fastest and most convenient methods for many people. Click the option that says Continue with Google or Sign up with Google. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. In that pop-up, you'll be asked to either select an existing Google account that's already logged in on your device, or enter a Google email or phone number along with your password. If you already see your Google account listed, just click on it. If not, type in your Google credentials carefully, then confirm. Once you've selected or signed into your Google account, the pop-up will close automatically. InVideo AI will finish the setup in the background, and within a few seconds, you'll be redirected into your new InVideo workspace. You won't need to fill out any long forms or extra details to get started. And that's it. You've successfully created your InVideo AI account, and you're now logged in, ready to explore templates, tools, and all the features the platform has to offer.